Hey, today we're going to make this little witch's hat. So cute, isn't it? And we're going to start with some black faux leather. Okay, we're going to cut these shapes out. All right, and then this one, this is going to be the bottom of the hat. We're going to cut into it like there, like a little Pac-Man face. And cut out a circle from the middle. Okay. And then we're going to glue, hot glue, that closed like that. We're going to work on the top of the hat. We're going to fold it over. And that's the shape you want. A new trick that I learned is to put in a wire, and then you can form the hat and bend it. So put some hot glue there. Put a little piece of wire in there. And then we're going to fold it in half. Now all the hot gluing that we're doing, you can back it up with some super glue if you feel the hold is not strong enough. Okay. So now you've got your wire in there. So now the top of your hat can bend if you'd like it to, or it can be a straight pointed hat. So here's our bottom. And we're going to work on getting the top attached to the bottom. So I'm going to do a little bit at a time here with the hot glue. Otherwise it gets a little messy and stringy. Okay. And like I said, anytime you're hot gluing, you can also back it up with super glue if you want an even stronger hold. And open that up and squeeze the hat brim in to make that connection with the hot glue. And just work your way all the way around. Now we're going to make the little buckle for the hat. We're going to take a piece of wire, turn it like you're making a small square or an oval, whichever shape you'd like. And just keep turning until it overlaps on itself. And then you want to paint it. And then you cut a strip of the brown faux leather and weave it into that buckle. There you go. Looks great. I'm going to fit the hat on my finger to work with the buckle. Just makes it a little easier. And we're going to put just a little bit of hot glue here to get the middle secure. Hold it. And then I just line these up. Give them a little snip. Like that. And look at that hat. So great, right? Oh, I just love them.